At kaugnay sa pambabatikos ni Secretary Panfilo Lacson, makakapanayam natin si Tacloban City Mayor Alfred Romualdez. Magandang umaga, Mayor Romualdez.
Yeah, good morning, Howie.
Yes, ang sinasabi po ni Secretary Panfilo Lacson ay lumapit daw kayo kasamang inyong pinsan na si Congressman Martin Romualdez sa kanya noong Enero at bumabali ng inyong internal revenue allotment para sa Tacloban City at nung handa na raw yung national government na ibigay itong binabali nyo o ina-advance nyo na pinapa-advance nyo na ERA ay bigla nyong hindi tinanggap o tinanggihan? Ano ba yung version nyo rito sa nangyari?
Simpleng-simple yan. Kung may panahon, padala kayo ng reporter dito sa opisina ko dahil during that time, namin si Secretary Abad, humihingi kami ng augmentation of funds. Pati Presidente, sinulatan namin. Sinulatan namin augmentation, hindi po bali.
Opo.
Kaya I don't know where that story came out na ako pang lumapit sa kanya at humihingi ng bali.
Oh. So what's the difference, sir?
If he knows the workings of government, you should understand you don't make bali and you don't advance IRAs. What you do is you ask for an augmentation of funds so that, the LGU now can help get back on its feet.
Okay.
And that happened during that time. And I appreciate the efforts that he tried during the time na sinubukan namin tulungan. Pero galing naman kay mismong Secretary Abad na ang magagawa lang niya ay pag-advance ng IRA. Ngayon, in-advise naman ako ng mga abogado namin, huwag niyo tanggapin yan kasi kung mag-advance ng IRA, baka galing sa DAP yan. O kung hindi lang galing sa DAP, illegal yan, mate-technical malversation tayo, huwag na. So, yun ang naging sagot naman dyan.
Okay.
Ikaklaro ko lang, in fact, mahirap kasi yung kwento siya ng kwento, hindi niya alam, sumulat kami. We don't operate informally. This is a highly urbanized city, and the mayor here and the congressman, we communicated that to Secretary Abad in writing. That's not kwento. Thank you.
So Mayor, it's in writing. May document na nagsasabing ang request nyo, ang tunay nyong request ay augmentation of funds. Kung baga, sa
Yes,
ibang
that was there. Walang tunay request. There's only one request. That was a request made by us for augmentation of funds for the city government so we can maintain the allowances and expenses for the national agencies that are operating and doing service here in our city.
Okay. Yeah, kasi ang kinikwento po ni Secretary Lacson, may verbal request daw, naka-speakerphone pa raw yung conversation, etc. Tumakbo siya mismo kay Secretary Abad para ipa-approve daw yung inyong request for this advanced ERA. Pero you're saying from the very beginning, this was not an advance of the ERA that you were requesting, kundi isang augmentation of funds or I guess in the private sector it would be called a supplemental budget.
No. In fact, augmentation of funds, pwede silang magbigay niyan. They do that to other LGUs. In fact, to make it even clearer, that's why Secretary Abad went out on public and answered us and said, number one, yung paggamit ng pondo sa mga national agencies is patronized politics that shouldn't be allowed. Second, what he said was very clear. What he said was, don't expect anything just because you were hit by a disaster. Period. So, tumahimik na kami. Yun ang sagot niya. So, wala ho siyang sinabi in public na bumabali kami or in fairness to Secretary Abad, wala naman siyang sinabi na ina-advance.
Yeah.
Abogado ano tong advance na hindi na?
Mayor, medyo choppy na kayo.
Okay,
pero parang may binanggit kayo na importante kanina na sinabi raw ni Secretary Abad sa inyo na huwag kayong umasa na parang hindi ko po narinig yung kadugtong nun.
Huwag kang ayun sinabi niya yun
Okay, I'm sorry, Mayor Romualdez, we can barely understand what you're saying now, but we will take you up on your offer na papuntahin ang isang reporter para makita po itong documentation ng inyong request para luminaw naman itong issue na to, kung ano talaga yung hiningi nyo sa gobyerno nung Enero. Pero one last question, if the line is clear, no? So what is the current need now of Tacloban? So this was back in January, ano? So ngayon, it's
Okay,
it's 1 year
ito muna
after
sasabihin ko,
Yolanda.
Awi, no?
Yeah.
Pwede lang, no? Para ayusin lang natin to, no?
Apa.
Ako naman, I'm very disappointed because I did not know the true facts yesterday. I only found out this morning. I'm very disappointed of what Senator or Secretary Lacson did yesterday. Number one, it was in bad taste. You don't talk that way in front of international NGOs and international communities that are helping us here. Ayan ang masama. It was done in bad taste. It was done the wrong time. We should work. Alam mo, ano bang function ng office niya? Hindi naman siya general na mga junior officer kami. Ay, isipin niya, ang role niya dyan is a coordinating body. You should reach out to all LGUs and not pick fights. This is the second time that he sort of scolded me or accused me. The first time was in Cebu. When I asked him, did you recommend, what is this thing I heard about transferring the airport? And this was way back June. And he answered me, yes, he recommended to the president to transfer the airport. Sabi ko naman, what is the basis of your transferring the airport? I want to look at the studies. Because how can you make a study in 6 months? And who is doing the study? Because that will entail billions. So my point, and then now, nagulat din ako because 3 weeks ago, he was announcing on the radio, on public, saying that he has no powers, he's disappointed. In fact, nalulungkot siya, parang nababagalan siya sa mga nangyayari, at disappointed siya. Pagkatapos, all of a sudden, he will accuse me that I am now the one at fault. That's why all these delays are happening in Tacloban. Medyo malabo ata yun So ako naman, if you cannot fulfill your duties as a coordinating body there, I don't know why you are even named SAR. You're not a SAR. You're just a coordinating body. If you cannot fulfill your function, and you're accusing us that we received 6 billion, and we did not receive 6 billion, I think you should resign in your position.
Okay, so you're calling for him to resign
Okay.
because he has failed to fulfill
Okay,
his
now, if
duty.
you have a political agenda, which looks very clear, we're not going to get sucked into that. Our people here in Tacloban have suffered enough. It's enough already with this harassment that we're getting from the national government. Sobra na Yun lang masasabi ko. We're trying so hard to work with them. Lahat ng hinihingi sa amin, binibigay namin. Lahat ng gusto nila, binibigay namin. Pero wag na sasabihin nila na kumuha kami ng pera. Pagkatapos kung ano bang insinuation na ninakaw namin yung pera na yan. We're not an Napoles here. Klaro ko lang yan sa kanya. In fact, kami pang nabiktima dahil may 1 billion project kami, yung airport. And before, binunot nila yung 708 million at nilagay nila sa top. Pwede yan ang sagutin niya. Isa pa, background niya, police officer siya. Right up to now, you are czar, rehabilitation. You cannot even explain where all these donations came from the international community. Nakakahiya. Hiyang-hiya ako. Tumalabas ako sa bansa, hiyang-hiya ako dahil hindi rin namin ma-explain saan pumunta yung billion-billion na dollars na sinasabi ng pumasok sa Pilipinas. Yan ang mga asyusi niya. Hindi ito mga aira-aira na mga sinasabi niya. Kompleto kami ho yan. Papakita ko yung sulat yan. Yan lang gusto ko sabihin. Huwag na idama yung mga Taclobanos. Pagod na kami dyan. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Tacloban City Mayor Alfred Romualdez. At kaugnay sa pambabatikos ni Secretary Panfilo Lacson, mga kapananim natin si Tacloban City Mayor Alfred Romualdez. Magandang umaga, Mayor Romualdez.
Yeah, good morning, Howie.
Yes, ang sinasabi po ni Secretary Panfilo Lacson ay lumapit daw kayo kasama ang inyong pinsan na si Congressman Martin Romualdez sa kanya noong Enero at bumabali ng inyong internal revenue allotment para sa Tacloban City at nung handa na raw yung national government na ibigay itong binabali nyo o ina-advance nyo na pinapa-advance nyo na era ay bigla nyong hindi tinanggap o tinanggihan? Ano ba yung version nyo rito sa nangyari?
Simpleng-simple yan. Kung may panahon, padala kayo ng reporter dito sa opisina ko dahil during that time, namin si Secretary Abad, humihingi kami ng augmentation of funds. Pati Presidente, sinulatan namin. Sinulatan namin augmentation, hindi po bali.
Opo.
I don't know where that story came out na ako pang lumapit sa kanya at humihingi ng bali.
Oh. So what's the difference, sir?
If you know the workings of government, you should understand you don't make policy and you don't advance IRAs. What you
Okay.
do is you ask for an augmentation of funds so that, the LGU now